Hydrangea paniculata can make an excellent cut flower to bring indoors for arrangements. I want to give you a couple tips on how to take some really nice stems that are going to be versatile for use in those indoor arrangements. So we're going to come back to a node. We're going to cut right above that node. Okay, so once you make your cuts, maybe you need to clean that end cut up a little bit, make it nice and smooth at a nice angle. The more angle that you get on the cut, the more surface area you're going to have for that stem to take up water. This is a little bulky, right? So we're going to need to sacrifice these side shoots. Okay, so I just took off all those side shoots. Now if you have a small little vase or something to float those blooms in, you could certainly use those shorter stems for that. Then I'm going to come in and strip off all of this foliage. Okay, here is a nice single cut that's going to be very versatile for use in arrangements.